Moral story. This story is all about the proud rose. Once upon a time, in a desert far away, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the beautiful rose would insult and mock the cactus on his looks, all while the cactus remained quiet. All the other plants nearby tried to make the rose see sense, but she was too saved by her own looks. One scorching summer, the desert became dry, and there was no water left for the plants. The rose quickly began to wilt. Her beautiful petals dried up, losing their lush color. Looking to the cactus, she was sparrow dipped his beak into the cactus to drink some water. Though ashamed, the rose asked the cactus if she could have some water. The kind cactus readily agreed, helping them both through the tough summer as friends. Moral of the story: never judge anyone by the way they look. Keywords from story: proud, very happy and pleased because of something you have done, something you own or achieved. Complaint, an objection to something that is unfair, unacceptable. Insult, to say or do something to someone that is rude or offense. Mock, to laugh at someone, often by copying them in a funny but unkind way. Sense, an ability to understand, recognize, value, or react to something. Scorching, very hot. Wilt, to become weak and begin to bend towards the ground. Judge, a public officer authorized to hear and decide cases in a court of law. Opposites from story: upon, below, far, near, proud, ashamed, look, ignore, quiet, loud, own, loose, dry, fresh, left, right, begin, start. Please like and subscribe. We'll meet you again with another story and keywords.